Welcome to Math Vibes. Today in this video, we are going to learn about ASA congruence rule. This is our part 4 video in the series of congruence of triangles. These will along with helping you to understand ASA congruence rule, you will also be able to try these on page 145 of your Maths class 7 NCERT book. Okay. Otherwise also it explains in detail about ASA rule. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's learn about ASA rule now. So what is ASA criteria for congruence of triangles? The mathematical definition says that if under a correspondence two angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to two corresponding angles and the included side of another triangle, then the triangles are said to be congruent. This is called ASA congruence rule. मीन्स अगर दो एंगल और उनकी इंक्लूडेड साइड, जैसे हमने SAS में किया था उसमें दो साइड्स थी और एक इंक्लूडेड एंगल था, इसमें दो एंगल्स हैं और एक इंक्लूडेड साइड है. दिस विल बी कॉल्ड ASA congruence rule. Now let us first understand some new terms that have come up in this one. Here we have learned this new term, that included side. So let us learn about this, that what do you mean by included side. Okay. So included side, for example, I'll give you a question that which side is included between the angles A and B of triangle ABC. Now this is a triangle ABC and you want to find out that between these two angles, okay, between these two angles, that is angle A and angle B, which is the side included between them, कौन सी ऐसी side है जो इन दो angles के बीच में आ रही है. Now this is super easy. You can just see the angles, remove the sign of angle and that will be the side. For example, here it is given angle A and angle B. एंगल के साइन को स्किप कर दो, A और B को क्लब कर दो, तो साइड इज AB. Right, the side will become AB. So angle A and angle B means side AB. So the included side is this side AB. That's it. So in this congruence rule, that is ASA, it says कि दो एंगल और एक साइड जो उनके बीच में आती है, okay, that side should be included between these two angles. Then we can say that the triangles are congruent. Okay, we can say that the triangles are congruent. Okay, तो आपको लिखना भी इसी ऑर्डर में पड़ेगा. अगर ये ASA congruence rule है, firstly you will write angle, then you will write side, and then again you will write angle, because it is ASA, angle side angle. So हम लिखेंगे भी इसको इसी ऑर्डर में, ASA में, because SSA or ASS, these congruences does not hold. In the later videos we will learn about that also, that why they don't hold, but let's concentrate on ASA congruence rule first. Okay, so let's move on. Now question is, by applying ASA congruence rule in these two triangles, you want to establish that the given two triangles are congruent. आपको ASA congruence rule apply करना है और ये वाले दोनों triangles को congruent करना है. आपको ये दिया हुआ है कि angle B, this angle B is equal to angle E, and this angle C is equal to angle F. I have already explained you in part 1 that what is the meaning of these symbols, like one line is here, two line is here. Okay, you can go through that part to understand it better. I'll just roughly explain it कि यहाँ पे एक लाइन है, यहाँ पे भी एक लाइन है, तो ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है. यहाँ टू लाइन्स है, यहाँ भी टू लाइन्स हैं, तो ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल है. Now you want to find out that what additional information is required to establish the congruence. दो एंगल्स दिए हुए हैं आपको, तो तीसरी कौन सी कंडीशन आपको पेंडिंग है, कौन सी कंडीशन लगाओ कि ASA रूल से ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाए. Now here it is ASA rule ना, This A is also given. This means two angles are given. So these two angles are given. So the third included will be side. Included side is missing. Now which is the included side over here? The included side over here is this and this. That is BC is equal to EF. So the additional information that is required is line segment BC will be equal to line segment EF. Okay, that's it. This is the answer. Okay, so let's move on. Now using ASA criteria for congruence of triangles, you want to establish that these two triangles, that is CAT, is congruent to triangle BUG. Cat is congruent to bug. Alright, so CAT you want to prove that it is congruent to BUG. अब कैसे करेंगे? और हमें गिवन है कि हमने कौन सा क्राइटेरिया अप्लाई करना है, ASA, राइट. इट इज गिवन दैट वी हैव टू यूज ASA congruence criteria, राइट. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, ASA congruence criteria यूज करना है तो क्या करेंगे, अब दो एंगल इक्वल करेंगे. फर्स्टली यू विल स्टार्ट विद दैट दिस एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल B. ओके, देन इट शुड बी साइड, शुड बी द इंक्लूडेड साइड. ये इंक्लूडेड साइड ही है जो इक्वल दी हुई है. So CA is equal to BU. Okay, CA is equal to BU, and the third condition will be angle A is equal to angle U. Angle A is equal to angle U. ठीक है, तो तीन conditions हो गई. So by congruence conditions, ASA congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. Right, I will write all these steps and I will try to explain it to you more clearly. So if a question comes that prove the given congruence, okay, or it comes that you have to write down all the three necessary conditions to make these two triangles congruent. Firstly तो देखो, फिगर को देख के पता लग रहा है कि दो एंगल गिवन है, इंक्लूडेड साइड गिवन है, तो ASA रूल लगना है. ओके, तो ASA का मतलब पहले एंगल लिखेंगे, फिर साइड लिखेंगे, फिर एंगल लिखेंगे. सो हियर इट इज C. First of all, we will write in triangle CAT and triangle BUG, angle C is equal to angle B. ये एंगल इसके इक्वल है, given. CA is equal to BU, given. Included side है, right? Angle A is equal to angle U, given. Okay, तीनों conditions given है. So triangle CAT is congruent to triangle BUG by ASA rule. Okay, by ASA rule. So hence proved. So the easy, you just write down ASA angle, side angle, and you will be able to solve the question. Let's move on. So here, by applying ASA congruence rule, you have to check whether these two triangles are congruent or not. So what do you do over here? First of all, see, here angle B is equal to angle E. Okay, given. BC is equal to EF, given, and angle C is equal to angle F, given. अब यहाँ पे हमें उसने कोई मेजरमेंट नहीं दिया था, सीधा उसने लाइंस लगाई थी, तो हमने लिख दिया गिवन. अगर इनकी मेजरमेंट्स दी हो, जैसे एंगल B दिया हो 60 and angle E is also 60, so you will write angle B is equal to angle E, each 60. ओके, और अगर BC और EF को ऐसे कट लगाने के बजाय उन्होंने मेजरमेंट दी है लाइक 5 सेंटीमीटर, सो इन द रीजनिंग इंस्टेड ऑफ गिवन यू विल राइट ईच 5 सेंटीमीटर. सेम वे एंगल C, if suppose angle C is again 65 and F is also 65, so you will again write that angle C is equal to angle F is equal to 65, right? So reasoning will be according to the figure that is given. So triangle BAC is congruent to triangle EDF by ASA rule. Alright. Next, now by applying ASA congruence rule, you have to check whether the triangles are congruent or not. Now see, in these two triangles, according to ASA, we should have two angles. this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. So we have two angles over here, right? Now the third condition is side. Now the side should be the included side. अब ये देखो एंगल A और एंगल C ये AC बन रहा है और ये वाली साइड इन दोनों एंगल्स के बीच में ये वाली साइड है, right? So AC is equal to WY. So AC is equal to WY and the sides are included sides. ठीक है? So yes, we can say that the triangles are congruent by ASA rule. But अगर यहाँ पे इसकी जगह ये वाली साइड्स की जगह ये साइड दे दी होती या ये साइड दे दी होती, then answer will not be correct. क्योंकि तब वो साइड इंक्लूडेड नहीं होती, दैट मीन्स ASA कंडीशन नहीं लग सकती थी. ओके, इन दैट कंडीशंस द ट्रायंगल्स विल नॉट बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट. ऑलराइट, so hope ASA congruence rule is clear to you. You can do more and more sums of this to try and understand it better. Alright, in case of any difficulty or any doubt, you can watch the video again and you can get to know about the other congruency rules also. Coming up next in this series of congruence of triangles, we have RHS rule. Very interesting, very unique rule and very easy one also. That will be our part 5. This video will be coming tomorrow. Okay, for RHS rule, you can watch the video tomorrow. Take care, happy learning, bye bye. And those who have not pressed the subscribe button yet, please do subscribe. Thank you, bye.